Welcome to this step-by-step guide on finding your WordPress permalinks. If you've ever uploaded an image or file to your WordPress site and wondered where to find its unique link, this tutorial will show you exactly how to locate it quickly and easily. Let's get started. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to your main WordPress website. Once the home page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see the login option. Click on it to move to the login page. Here, you can sign in using your usual credentials, but to make things faster, select the option that says Continue with Google. A prompt will appear asking you to choose the Google account you'd like to use. Simply click on the account connected to your WordPress site. This method makes logging in both secure and convenient. After selecting your Google account, your WordPress dashboard will load. This is your main control center where you can access all the tools, settings, and content of your website. Once you're inside the dashboard, focus on the left-hand menu and find the section labeled Media. Click on it to open the media library. This is where all your uploaded images, videos, and documents are stored. It's designed to give you quick access to every file on your site. Now, scroll through your media library until you find the image or file whose permalink you want to locate. Click on that image to open its details. You'll notice an edit link. Clicking it will take you to the image details page. This page contains a lot of useful information about your media file, such as its title, size, and upload date. But what you're looking for is the permalink. Take a look near the top of this page. You'll see a field labeled permalink. That's the full permanent URL for your image. This link uniquely identifies the file and can be used anywhere you want to share or reference it. What's great about this permalink is that it stays valid even if you make other changes to your WordPress site. It's a reliable way to point directly to that specific file whenever needed. If you'd like a shorter version of that link, look for the button that says Get Short Link. Click it, and WordPress will automatically generate a more compact version of the permalink. This short link is perfect for sharing on social media, embedding in posts, or sending in messages since it's easier to read and remember. And that's it. You've just learned how to find and manage your WordPress permalinks in just a few simple steps. From logging in with Google to accessing your media library and creating a short, shareable link. So by following this process, you can confidently manage your WordPress media files and ensure that every link you share points to the exact right place. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick WordPress tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.